This phone was brought by a customer complaining that this phone was left unused for 2 years because it had so many issues. The screen is badly affected, the home button is removed, and I wonder how the inside will look like. So we have to open it to see how the inside actually looks like. Open it up, but when you look at it, you see that this phone looks like it has even left unused for more than 2 years. Then we disconnect the battery connectors and disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Then the next thing is that we disconnect the screen also before we can actually work on the board. You can see how dirty the screen actually looks like. Then the next thing we have to do is that we have to service this phone to see if it can actually come to life back. While working on the motherboard, we have to boost the battery to put power on it because the battery has been left down for so long. After boosting the battery and working on the motherboard, what happened next was that the phone refused to on, and 1 minute silence for the Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.